Hey everyone, it's Chevy Monique, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me type thing with me using all new Tarte products. If you would like to see how I achieve this look right here, then make sure to stay tuned for the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. And yeah, here we go. So today I'm going to be using, I don't have a Tarte primer, I don't think. So I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Invisible Undercover Primer. And I've already moisturized my face. I use the Clinique Moisture Plus, I think is what it's called. And as you guys can see, my face is clearing up, hopefully. I've already done my eyebrows off of camera because it's super easy to do. I have really thick eyebrows, so I just go in little spots and then call it a day. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to carving out my brows, because I like to carve out my brows before I put on my foundation. And I'm not going to use my Tarte concealer for this. I'm actually going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal because I like the wand that it has, and it's just easier for me to work with around my brow area with this. To go ahead and prime my under eyes. I'm actually going to be using a Tuesday shadow machine. I'm going to be using my Makeup Heat brushes. I'm going to first go in with my Makeup Heat soft stone brush to put my transition. Okay, so first I'm going to be using the Tartelette and Bloom palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Smarty Pants as my transition color, and that's right here. And I'm going to be using a color from the Tartelette and Bloom palette. I'm going to be using the color Leader, which is this burgundy-ish shade right here. Okay, now I'm going to be going back with my stone brush and my transition shade Smart Tint. Okay, and next I'm going to be going in with this G27 Atom brush that I received from one of my Smart palettes from Beauty Pro, I believe. So I'm going to be packing on the color Firecracker onto my lid. my little color switch. And my color switch is actually by Mona. I love this thing. When I'm like chilling in my room, playing makeup, doing makeup like, just pull out my little color switch, just run brush on through it, change the color out. It also has this little piece in the middle where you can spray some Fix Plus in there so that you can get a brightening effect or a more strong effect with your eyeshadow. Okay, and I'm going to be using that same brush after I use my color switch, and I'm going to be using color Bunny Girl on my inner tear and a little bit on the inner part of my lid. I do all this before because I am a beginner at my eye makeup, so I want to make sure that I can clean up whatever I don't like with concealer, which is the next thing that I'm going to be using. It is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer in the shade 10. Never used this before. I really hope that this is my color because I do not want to touch some of this hot mess. Well, blend out my concealer, I'm actually going to be using my Real Technique 200 brush. It's one of these gold metal brushes. This might not work for some people, but it does work for me, so keep that in mind. I definitely should not have done my inner tear duct first, but too much. That foundation is too dark, but I'm afraid this foundation is going to be like way too light. So right away, I can tell you this concealer is not cutting it for me, and I'm not a fan. I think to highlight it might be okay, but look at that, it has no coverage. Like so much of no coverage that I think I'm gonna have to use this baby. So I guess it's not cheating if it's still a Tarte concealer. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Maracujia Creaseless Concealer in the shade using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation in the shade Bunny for help. my Makeup Forever Duo Matte in the color 218, not 216 like I used to use. 218 is what we use right now. So yeah. The foundation has a nice satiny finish though. Not a nice color, but a nice satiny finish. And next I'm going to contour to give my face some more color. And I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I'm going to be using the darkest shade, which is Contour, to contour. And I'm going to be using this Morphe brush. It's like a rose gold travel size brush. And it's like a gold blusher, contour, bronzer brush. I think it's a little bitty brush. Bronze Glow highlight, and I'm going to be putting that on my finger. I actually should have used the Tartelette palette to highlight with, but I did not. I don't know, I don't really gravitate towards these shades. I think I've swatched these before in a video, but I swatch them again, give them like a little swatch for you. You can kind of see the middle color does nothing for me. I'm going to pack that on using coloring. And it's really just going to my skin. Feels like a pencil. Feels good light. Definitely supposed to get some type of highlight. See for me. I mean, it has like this one has like a goldy subtle highlight type thing, and goldy gold, a very light gold. And this one has like a shampoo, like it has like a little bit of a sweet texture, but not exactly what I'm going for. Sorry if you didn't do it for me and us dark girls on that one. For my lips today, I'm going to be using the Tarteist lip paint. It is a glossy lip paint, and it is in the color Wow. It looks like this. Okay, and then this is the finished look. Alright everyone, thank you for watching the video, and I hope you guys completely light, it's like I'm either one extreme or the other extreme. If you've watched my other videos, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Either I buy a foundation too dark or I buy it too light. But luckily, I always find a way to try to make it work for me. And I think that's what makeup is like showing your art to be able to make things work for you. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe.